Jai Jhulelal friends. In this video we have got for you a bedtime story in English. Excited? Let's begin it. The Sleepy Cloud and the Rainy Surprise. Once upon a time, in the sky lived a cloud named Aditya. Aditya was one of the fluffy white clouds who loved to nap. He would float over mountains, rivers, and trees, yawning all the way. One summer afternoon, the earth below became hot and dry. Flowers dropped, animals felt tired, and children couldn't play outside. But Aditya was fast asleep. A tiny bird flew up and crept. Aditya, please wake up. Everyone needs you. Aditya blinked sleepily. Oh no, I didn't know they were waiting for me. He puffed himself up, gathered all the cool moisture, and finally, pitter patter, rain fell gently on earth. Flowers lifted their heads. Children laughed and danced. Animals drank happily. Aditya smiled. I'm glad I woke up in time. Moral of the story: being responsible helps everyone around you. Good night, sweet dreams. See you tomorrow. Jai Jhulelal.